Problem 29, again we are asked to graph the function. In order to correctly or efficiently graph this, we need to rewrite the equation so that the variable y is by itself or isolated. So what we need to do is we'll take the original equation. We'll go 12 minus x minus 2y equals 0. And I'm going to add 2y to both sides of the equation. That'll get y by itself on one side of the equal sign. So now, as a result of this, we have 12 minus x equals 2y. Now, it doesn't matter whether the y is on the left side or the right side. We are familiar with it being on the left. So we can do a swap here. We can go 2y equals 12 minus x. Exact same equation. We just took the left side, put it on the right, took the right side, put it on the left. Now, to get y by itself, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So let's do that. Divide this side and this side by 2. These two cancel, and I'm left with just y. This turns into two fractions, excuse me. So we have 12 over 2 minus x over 2. Well, 12 over 2 is 6. And dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So the dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. So my final equation then is going to be y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6. So that's my function. All right, so let's write this here. We're going to go negative 1/2 x plus 6 equals y. So let's substitute some numbers now in for x. So if I let x be negative 2, let's see, and substitute that value in for x in the expression. Let's see, well, a negative times a negative is a positive, right? And half of 2 is 1. So I have 1 plus 6, which gives me 7. So my ordered pair here is going to be negative 2, comma 7. Okay? Let's take 0. So here I have negative 1/2 times 0 plus 6. Well, 0 times anything is 0, so 0 plus 6 is 6. So at 0, I'm at 6. Let's go ahead and do 2. So substitute 2 in for x. Okay, so a negative times a positive is a negative, and half of 2 is 1. So negative 1 plus 6 is 5. So at 2, my output, or y, is 5. Let's just do one more. Let's go for 4. So here I have negative 1/2, negative 1/2 plus 4 times 4 plus 6. So a negative times a positive is a negative. Half of 4 is 2. So negative 2 plus 6 is 4. So here I have 4, comma 4. All right, let's go ahead and plot these points. So here I'm at negative 2, comma 7. 2 to the left, 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now at 0, I'm at 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at 2, I'm at 5. So 2 to the right and 5 up. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then at 4, I'm 4 to the right. 2, 3, 4. And 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is a continuous graph, so we are going to have a line go through those points. And because it goes on forever in both directions, we will put arrows on both ends. All right.